Hello guys, welcome to my PP channel, your programming world where we can learn everything about computer science. So, after completing complete HTML, we are starting CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet what? It is a style sheet. Actually, what is style sheet? Let's see. A style sheet is a file containing formatting guidelines that define overall look of a document. Like by using this style sheet, it is providing some guideline. By using this guideline, we can change the document look. We can change the document formatting. Okay, as it is made in a earlier part that it will have some static feature. We can change these features by using the CSS, cascading style sheet. We can change the feature of the document by using the style sheet. For understanding the CSS, why we are using CSS, we need to understand some two terms, that is static and dynamic. Actually, a web page, whatever you are seeing on the internet, lots of web pages are there. Some pages are static. This means every time when you look this page now, when you look on this web pages, you always find the same content, in the same manner they are present. But sometimes you will see some different web pages which is not available every time same. They are changing time to time, zone to zone, and the language to language. So these are called dynamic web pages. So what is the dynamic versus static web page? Let's understand. So static is what? A static website contains information that does not change. It remains the same or static for every viewer of the site. When you see this website every time and for every viewer it is same. But if you are talking about the DHTML, I need to say dynamic web page. You know, HTML is the base of the web page. You have already designed the web page by using the HTML. So HTML is the basic language for designing the web page. When we are using some dynamic content in the HTML, so it is called dynamic HTML. That is dynamic web pages, which is designed in the HTML, but it is dynamic. You know, whatever content you are writing in HTML, it is static. It is not changing at the when you looking your website. At the current time, it is same when you are designing your page in HTML. But if you are talking about the dynamic web pages, so dynamic web pages is what? It contains information that changes depending on the viewer of the site. According to the viewer, it is changing the time of the day. According to the time, it is changing its time, and the time zone on which zone is it website is opening. Accordingly, it changes time. The native language of the country, like you are another country, you are from another country, so you will see, when you open that website, so it will convert itself according to your country native language. Okay, and viewer or in many factors it is changing itself. Okay, so for understanding the CSS, for implementing the CSS, we have to need understanding the first what is DHTML, what is dynamic HTML. First, we have to understand that what is DHTML and what languages, what codings are needed for the dynamic HTML. Let's understand the DHTML. Now, DHTML is what? It stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. You know about the hypertext is not another language. And if I'm talking about the Wikipedia, so it is saying it is a umbrella. It is an umbrella, and which is including the some content that is HTML, JavaScript, CSS, yani ki cascading style sheet, and the another is DOM, document object model. Okay, so for creating the dynamic page, for generating the dynamic page, we are using the DHTML. Remember, it is not another language. giving some extra feature for making some operation on that particular HTML element, we are using JavaScript. JavaScript is what? It is a scripting language and used for generating the changing content along with HTML. It is used for generating dynamic content. Sometimes you feel the pictures is moving, sometimes you feel the bird is flying on the web page when you click somewhere, when you access something. So these some effect will be created in a JavaScript. Like you are functioning, you want to create some function on the web page, so you will use the JavaScript. It is the scripting language, a short form of a programming language. Okay, script format. Okay. Next is CSS. Actually, we understand in this chapter CSS, but before it, I will tell you CSS having a design principle for the all element which is using in a HTML, that tells how to format and display the element should be displayed. Display the element. It tells how to format and display the element of the HTML. You used many elements, many attributes in a HTML when you design your web page in a HTML. Okay, so by using the CSS, you can format these attributes, you can format these tags by using the HTML, because it is having some guideline, it is having some principle related to these tags, related to these elements of the HTML. Next is what? DOM. Document object model. Document object model is nothing. It is a simply map whatever you are using in a HTML for making a web page. Like I'm designing a web page, so I will use first what? HTML. So this is my root element in a data object model. Sorry, document object model. In this document, I have a root element is what? HTML, and it is divided into two parts. That is, first is head section, and the second one is what? Body part. This is the some another deep branch, and the head section have another content like title, some another format, like we can write some JavaScript content in a head format. So it is also some text which is written in a Java format, JavaScript format. Okay, so this is the one map which we are designing in a document object model. Second thing, every content which is written in a body part, it will appear in a like every another tag like p tag, hashtag, everything, whatever content we are using here, these everything it is included in a body part. So these are some content which we are designing in a, we are making here map all the content which we are using in a HTML. Okay, so these are the document object model. Okay, so it is what, with it we can have a map on every element in the HTML. Okay, so we have some characteristic here of the DHTML code. By using the DHTML, we can create animation of the element. Sometimes you think one picture is moving, some animations are there. So we can create animation effect on the element by using the DHTML. Mouse follower effect, like sometimes you are clicking some part and it is moving. So these are the mouse effect. Text changing, when you click on the text it is moving or fly over. So everything it will be related to the, if some function is related to the mouse, so it is comes under the mouse rollover effect, and it is done by your dynamic SQL. Okay, next is pop-up menu. You always find some pop-ups is always available on the site when you see the website. Sometimes on right side or left side some menus are going, and sometimes you are seeing some suddenly one pop-ups will be appear and you have to look that part. So these are comes under the pop-up menu, and it is also designed in a DHTML. search facility, you always find some data by using the search facility, so it is also designed by the DHTML. Comments, sometimes you are giving some comments to the website, so how it is possible? It is providing by using the DHTML. Next one, input and field. You always using this facility on the internet when you are getting some admission in different school, colleges. You are entering, you are giving the online form, or if you are giving any exam, so you enter. You just enter the form, you give your name. So if you these sites are providing you to providing this facility by using the DHTML. Okay, so this is a more use. This is a much use for DHTML, that by using DHTML we can enhance our HTML page, our static page in a dynamic format. Got it? So let's understand that why we are using the CSS in this four content, yani ki HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and the fourth one is what? DOM. We just understand the CSS. Actually, where is the need of CSS? Earlier in 90s, many HTML coders, they feel that they are writing many attributes and the element, but having the same need. They are writing every, like I'm giving one example here, like I'm using the H3 tag 15 times in my document and having the same name, like S3 having bold and H3 having some emphasis format, like I'm giving some sizes, I'm changing its size as size should be 27. Okay, I'm increasing its size 27 and format some face will be Arial. So I just want to format the same format every time in a single document. So I feel that I'm using this content again and again, and every time I can say I'm using this content 15 times. So I thought we should create some different format. We should create some principle. Why we don't change its feature every time? Whenever I write S3, automatically it changes its format. Like in the format, the size should be there 27 and the face always be Arial. So we are changing the feature of the basic element of the HTML by using the CSS. There is no extra software required for this, as you are using in HTML for creating the web page in HTML. What we are using there, we are using Notepad and we are simply writing their HTML. Likewise, we are for creating the CSS, we also use only Notepads. You use start button, then go to the Notepad. Always coding, the all coding related to CSS we will use Notepad. Okay, and but in place of saving this Notepad.html, we will save this CSS file .css. When you writing some content in the CSS Notepad file, so the content will be when you saving your Notepad file with the .css, it is taken as a cascading style sheet format. But the thing is there, you have to call this file in your static web page. It means your HTML web page. We will do practical related to CSS, but tomorrow we will understand everything in a descriptive format. So hope you are understanding why we are using CSS, what is HTML, and why we are using dynamic HTML, and where is the need of CSS, what is the JavaScript. So hope you are understanding, guys. If you have any problem, you can ask by leaving your comment here.